Yeah, so now, like I said, so you have to drive carefully. As you can see here, at least we've got a leniency of be able to push, your car a bit, maybe drive up to 60 to 80. But as you can see here, it's very dangerous. You can't. You need to be very cautious. As you can see, the guy in front of me is also cautious as well. Especially when you're driving in a place like this, you don't know. You're not like me. I've been doing tours for a long time, so I know this area. I've been bringing a lot of clients here and so forth. So, but if it's the first time, you can't even take a risk. And sometimes, guys, listen, this place, there's a lot of baboons, baboons. I'm not sure if you know baboon. A baboon, you can just go and die. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, yeah, you can just do a research. Go to Google and find out what is a baboon. Baboon meaning B-A-B-O-O-M. Baboon. Yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of baboons. They normally comes out on the road. Sometimes they just walk slowly. They go like this, and you have to drive carefully, especially when you go to Cape of Good Hope. So next time we'll be taking a tour. Look at this guy. Look at how he's driving. Hey. Yeah. So next time we'll be taking a tour. Maybe perhaps go to Cape of Good Point. Cape of Good Hope, where we can show you guys, Cape Town. Those who doesn't know, if you visit our channel, you get to understand, to see Cape of Good Hope. Yeah, so such a wonderful place, guys, to be. I've been there. We've been there with my family several times. It's a nice place, to take your kids as well. Take your kids for a vacation, just for them to go sightseeing. But it's very cold. Yeah. When you get there, just have to make sure you are dressed up. Otherwise, you can't just go there dressing up a t-shirt or maybe a jersey that is not too warm. Otherwise, it's freezing. 365 days a year, 7 days a week. Every day is freezing, guys, because it's the end. There is no houses, there is no mountain, there's nothing. From there you only see water until until the Europe, until to Indian Ocean, where you meet up with the two oceans meet. This is Atlantic, guys. Atlantic Ocean. We live in an Atlantic Ocean, so this is Atlantic Ocean. And then when you go out from here, you're going to Indian Ocean. So from here to Indian Ocean, where the two ocean meets, it's the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. It's about, I'll say maybe about maybe 50 minutes from now. Yeah, from here. But you don't go it this way, otherwise you're going to get lost. Understand? You have to go back again, and then I'm not sure if there's a road that side that goes aside that will take you to Cape of Good Hope. But all I know is from Cape Town side, there is a road that takes you straight to Cape of Good Hope. So that's where the two oceans meet. They call it Atlantic. This is Atlantic, and they call it, and the other one is Indian Ocean. So you can see the water is too different. You see, this one here is a bit greenish, but you'll see the Indian Ocean water there is a bit different than this one. So I can't explain to you how does it look like, but then if you go there, you'll be able to see that this is how it looks and so forth. Yeah, so guys, this is a very nice area to be. Most people that are living in Johannesburg, some of them, they've never been to Cape Town. If you are in Cape Town, be blessed. You are a blessed child, because it's just a wonderful place to be. When you hear, there's a lot of places where you can take your family to just for a sightseeing tour and buy some popcorns, be in the car, you know, drive, buy some ice cream, you know, with your kids, you know, let them enjoy, take them out, let them express themselves and see, you know, the nature of what God has brought into our land. You know, this is very beautiful, guys. Beautiful area, you know. Yeah, so that's what I've been saying, guys. So, but don't worry, next time when we we're about to reach you know, Betty's Bay. We're about to arrive now in Betty's Bay. As I was saying, I actually wanted to end the video, but let me just continue, because I can see now we are about to.
It's getting exciting.
Yeah, getting exciting. So such a small, beautiful, you know, it's only mostly it's white people that stays in
it's
this.
It's becoming more
area.
exciting.
Yeah. So, So, hey, but these people here, hey, I don't know how they go to town, because obviously when they go to town, they have to go to Cape Town. Yeah, Cape Town or Somerset West. That's where they normally go to do shopping. Because I don't think there is a what you call a shopping mall here. I don't think so. I'm not sure. I've been here since for a long time now. Because most of the time we are so busy, we stay at home and working from home, so it's not easy. We don't travel. You know, like sometimes we do get a chance, we do travel. Yeah, this is what called Betty's Bay. Betty's Bay. Betty's Bay. I once came here with a client, but it was at night. Drop off another white guy here. I can't tell you where it was, but such a wonderful area, beautiful place. You know, beautiful area. You'll see it yourself. You know, most people here, they build their houses on the mountain. Yeah, as you can see there, there's another road there. I think there is that road just takes them to I'm not sure. I think it takes them to Hermanas. Perhaps, I'm not sure. Yeah, so most people here, they build their houses on the mountains, you know. So it's a beautiful place. Yeah, this is Betty's Bay. It's about 30 kilometers away from where you know, we stay. Yeah, so that's it. So you enter in these areas. You enter. Oh, you know what? Oh, this is the same area. Oh, that road that I was looking. Yeah, here's the baboon. Here's the baboon. Ah, see what I was talking about? Baboon. You see them? Yeah, that's baboon that I was talking about. Yeah, those are the baboons I was talking about. Yeah. So I'll have to find a way to turn back, because my main aim was to come this side. Let us just try and turn back. Yeah, obviously I think my children has also saw some places that they've never seen before. Yeah, so I had to find a way to turn back, because we just wanted to come, you know, just for us to yeah. Anyway, let me just go back. Yeah, all right. So guys, that's how it is. Yeah, that's it. So I'll have to go back now. Find a break.
Yeah.
Now it's too rough there.
Is it?
I'll turn here.
Just check how he's turning.
Yeah.
He's a rough driver, ne?
No, I'm not a rough driver. So I want to park next to the baboons there, so you guys can see the baboons that I was talking about. Right. So, yeah, so I want my babies to see the baboons. You have never seen the baboons, my boy, ne? No? Yeah, so you're going to see the baboons. I'll park next to those baboons so you can see them. Where are they? They don't know it. This is the same road I was looking. I was actually seeing. Yeah, because it's actually going to Manas anyway. Where are those baboons? Yeah, here are the baboons. Ah, there. Let's go.
It's a baby baboon and 4 baboons.
Look at that one. They're sitting there.
Where?
The small one.
Where?
There, Jeff.
Yeah, here's another one. Here's
There's
another one.
another one in front of us. It looks like a monkey. Here's another one. They don't look like a baboon.
They're actually monkeys. Aren't they
Yeah,
monkeys?
monkeys, yes.
Monkey.
Baboon, you call it monkeys. Baboon is a monkey.
So if you get me a monkey, it could be like this.
It's eating.
Look at how it's eating. Did you see it?
How do I do this?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it right way. Running away from you.
It went.
It went deep there. There. Can you see it, babe?
Why are you?
Let's get it for you.
And
I know it is. It's there. Right there. We
So,
got
Jake,
it.
you want us to take one with us now?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The smaller one.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
They like it there. They are enjoying there.
You see now?
You don't have these plants at home. Do you have
We're
them?
going back home.
When I go here, we're going to other people's houses.
My baby is enjoying.
Like you see, like this area.
He's not holding a phone. I'm the one holding a phone.
Park here so you can see. Not yet. This car is hot. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautifully.
Prettyful.
Prettyful. Now we can park here.
Four trucks can fall.
You will hear the wind.